Hey y'all, we got sent over this thermometer to try it out. So we're going to get it opened up and check it out. And it says it is high temperature resistant ceramic probe, thinner probe, accurate reading, magnetic and cap design, remote signal. You can put an app on your phone to use this thing. And what I thought was really cool about it is you can put it in the oven, the probe itself. You don't have to take the meat out of the oven and then put a probe in it, check it, and then put it back in there. You can leave it in it. Thought that was cool. Never seen one like that. Didn't know they made such a thing. There is the probe itself right there. Oh, I must have hit a button because we already got some action going on right here. Apparently, it is 80 degrees Fahrenheit in here. You can see that. So when you take the probe out, it automatically starts working. Got some contacts in there to get this part of it charging. Now it's charging. Okay, it says this right here is the repeater status, repeater connection status, the probe status, the immediate temperature. You can have a set temperature, that'll be your target temperature. It'll have two different temperatures there. Start temperature 77. You can change that right here. Get your target temperature. And hold that button, just hold it down and it'll start going. So we need an internal temperature of 160 on our food that we're going to cook. So we are going to set that at 160. Confirm, push it again, and it's confirmed. Now it will show our target temperature right there. And this is the current temperature right here that's just right here. We're going to, oh, by the way, it does have an app to install so you can monitor it through your phone. So I'm going to get the app installed and then we will go from there. Okay, once you get it installed, then you can, you'll see that little icon right there, the FM2 series. We're using the probe here. You just click on that. And then you can set your temperature right here. Internal temperature. Okay, it's set at Celsius, so we need to change that to Fahrenheit. There we go. Got it changed. Now we want to click start. We'll select beef. Then we can up it right here. Go up to 160. And then that will be medium well. Then we'll hit get started. Okay, we will get this stuck in the meat, and I'm going to reset this and cook, confirm. Because we're not ready yet, we're going to put that in the oven in a moment, but we're going to go back and set that right there. Once you get your probe inserted into the meat, then you can click get started. Okay, we got it in the oven, and as you see, the temperature is reading 108 now. I will say it is kind of tough to get that probe into the meat, so probably should do that before you like sear your meat. Just go ahead and stick it in there. Might make it a lot better. We will check back in a few moments. Okay, well, apparently it plays music when it is done. So we're going to take it out and check it. Do you want to save this cooking record? Sure. All right, we are going to cut it and see. We got the probe in there like that. Like I said, it would be much easier to stick that probe in there before you start cooking it. And for you folks out there that are like me that don't cook very often, this could be a game changer on your cooking. Okay, well, it didn't quite get done, and it was set at 160. And that's more like a, what would you say, rare? Okay, so we're going to try it again. It's showing actually 167 now. All right, we're going to put it back in the oven. We will see. Okay, I believe we are done now. Yep. But I think our problem was, if you'll look, you can see that probe in there. And I think that it was picking the temperature up from the oven itself. So you're going to have that probe inside the meat all the way completely. That's a little hint for you right there, and something that I will have to remember for next time. Okay, actually got through eating. Really good. But to make sure you get the probe past this little white marker, kind of looks like a little rubber washer around there, it has to be inserted all the way. And it really, like I said earlier, it needs to be inside the meat completely because it'll get the heat from the oven itself and not actually inside the meat. When you get ready to take the probe out of the meat, this end is going to be very, very hot. So use some tongs or something like that to remove it. These are IP67 water resistant, which means they're not dishwasher safe, but you can completely get them wet for just a moment. You don't want to soak them though. So just wipe them down real good and clean it off with soap and water, and you should be good to go. This is definitely going to come in handy, especially like out on the grill. And I'm going to put a link down in the description in case you want to order some for yourself or read more about it. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I appreciate it. That's it. I'm not sure what else to say about it. It measures the inside the meat temperature really good. I love the fact that you can watch it on your phone and you don't have to open the oven, stick a meat thermometer in there, and then take it out, put it back in the oven if necessary. This stays in there all the time, and you can watch it on your phone. So that makes it really, really nice. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.